Well, good morning, guys. It is Friday, May 3rd, and we're gonna go hit the Armstrong Connector Trail for the first time this year before we get maybe up to 8 to 12 inches of snow tomorrow. I think the forecasts are a bit varied, but definitely in the higher terrain, they're calling for 1 to 2 feet of snow, so it should be interesting. So in order to ride this trail, you will come when the gate opens off of Oneidas to the Fountain Place parking lot. You then ride about 17 or 1800 feet up to the end of this Forest Service road that's paved to ride the connector down. It is a brisk 40 degrees, but compared to the last time I did this, and it was, 28 degrees and heavily snowing, this feels like we're in a heat wave. So you can see here that this trail, as I'm going up it, is part of the Caldor burn. So you can see with the Caldor fire, it really opens up your view, but obviously it would have been neat to see this trail before the fire. All right, guys, we have made it to the point where I'm going to drop in for this trail, and kind of behind me you can see that's right through Armstrong Pass right there. So still a bit of snow up there, and again, crazy to think we might get another 1 to 2 feet up there soon. This is a cool section here. Looks like you're gonna hit the rock, but you got a little side feature to get over that. This is one of my favorite sections, just to come and have a look, enjoy the view of Tallac down towards Lake Tahoe. It is beautiful. Back on the trail. Here's the biggest little drop here. Not too bad though. almost hit that tree. All right, now we're into Corral. All right, well, we're at the jump trail, and this time without the snow, we should have enough speed to hit everything nice and smoothly. Here we go. Oh yeah.